Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to pay with debit card on TikTok Shop. So if you want to pay with a debit card on TikTok Shop, it's very easy. What you want to do is tap on your profile on the lower right corner of the screen like this. Let's wait for it because it's a bit scuffy for me. I don't know why. So once you get to your profile, what you want to do is tap on the three lines or hamburger icon on the upper right corner of the screen like so. And here a pop-up will appear. What you want to do is tap on balance. All right, so now that we are going to be loading on balance, let's wait for it for a second. Okay, there you go. So to do this, what you want to do is tap on get coins if you don't have coins yet, like so. All right, so now that we've loaded in, for example, you want to get coins. So you can use coins to buy stuff from TikTok shops. So for example, in this video, let's get 5 coins, for example. So let's just tap on that, and here a pop-up will appear showing, as you can see, we have a card right now. But if you don't have a card right now, what you want to do is tap on the next button here. All right, and then afterwards you're gonna choose add credit or debit card. After that, you're gonna need to put in the information, your card number, the month and year of the expiration date, and your security code. It's very streamlined, it's very straightforward, and then after that you're pretty much set. And yeah, that's it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.